everybody, Double P here and welcome back. So in today's trading session, a little bit of a case study on Netflix. So let's get into it right here. You see my margin account, full margin account, the date, April 20th, 11/28/55, live trading. For some reason, my webcam isn't working today, so I apologize for that. So what did we do? Today, we attacked Netflix. So let me come over here and show you what's going on. So today, I didn't draw out the box, but I've made out my support and resistance levels. You guys know what the box is. Well, you don't know what the box is because you're not a member. I've kind of gone over the box and I've revealed it in a couple of videos. So if you'd like to join, definitely become a member of the Platinum Traders group the Platinum Traders Beta Testers group, and I'll show you the box in its full entirety, full transparency. So before we get into this live case study, I got to put my disclaimer out there, obviously. So I can't give you any financial advice, any legal advice, any taxation advice, or any investment advice because I'm not certified or licensed with any government agency. I don't have my Series 33 license or my Series 7's license or any of my licenses to qualify me as a licensed stockbroker or a licensed financial planner or any of those designatory, signatory labels. I just do this as my own personal journey. I'm just a guy who's been trading, and I've been showing you my journey on YouTube over the last probably 10 months. Full transparency there. You've seen everything. So I always tell you, before you follow me in any trades whatsoever, you do your own due diligence and you go consult a licensed professional as far as whether or not to take any trades. All the trades that I take are on my own dime with my own risk. And I highly advise you to trade in a paper money account or a virtual simulator until you are proven profitable. And even then, if you're going to put live capital into the live markets, understand that options and stocks are highly speculative and highly risky. You could lose all of your money. So that's my disclaimer right there. And I'll also pop it up. Matter of fact, let me pop up disclaimer. Let me pop up this disclaimer right now. So I have it there on the video. So there it is. That's the legal notice. That's one of the disclaimers, legal notice. I'm not selling you anything. I don't want you to buy anything as far as equities and stocks or futures or options. And it's right there. So that's my disclaimer. All right. So Netflix was crazy ride. They had earnings. Earnings were terrible. The market beat them up. The market really reacted negatively to it. Netflix was highly volatile. So what do we do as platinum traders? We take advantage of that volatility and we take advantage of that. So you see it right there. I entered in this position at 9:32 or so. So let's go right over here. I entered this position right here about 9:32 on that big red candle right there. And you see this right here. This is just a massive sell side activity. This is what I call a ski slope. You just hop on the slope and you're going on a 45, 50, 60 degree angle to the downside. And you see here the option that I placed. I bought the April 22, 235 puts, and I paid roughly around, I tried to get in around 3 or so 230, and probably got in. I got filled probably around very high of about $4. I'm going to show you the results of that. But you see here, this is the staircase now. This is the staircase because this is what we love to see in the Platinum Trader group, the staircase. This thing hit a high at 25.85. It was absolutely insane. So let me come over here and let me show you the text alert so that you see the text alert right there. So I sent it out to my guys, 9:32. I told them to get the April 22 Netflix 235 strike put at $3.50. Told them to get 20 contracts. They're looking for 30% profit. Stop loss is a tight 12%. Told them they need to get the position size that works for them. That was the text alert. All right. I had trouble getting filled. So let's see what I'm going to show you next is what happened to me. So there it is right there. I have version 3.0 of the course coming out so that you can see it from $121K to $104,500. You see here, I tried to get out here. This was the highlight of my option. I had a net position of 100. That's what I bought. And I took this screenshot here and was doing live trading. You see it right there. You see the time right there is 9:58 and change. It was absolutely crazy. Let me drop that down there for you. And then let me come over here. Obviously, you got to show you. So from 121K, you'll see what I did right here, $104,500 on the day, plus 7,455% movement in Netflix trade. And I'm a man of transparency, so let's come over here so that you see what's going on. I'm going to show you. There's my cancel order at 9:32.58. I tried to get 100 contracts at 360 a limit order. Couldn't get in. All right, that's the limit order. And then you see my order fills, my exit. So you see my entry, what I got filled at 405. And then you see my exit right there at 9:59. You see the price for $14.50 right there. And you see the amount of slippage that I had to take because I had a big contract position. You see right there what I got. So that's a full transparency because I'm being transparent here, and I've always been transparent, and this is something that you're never going to see, or you're going to see it very rarely from any options trader, any futures trader, any stock trader that's on social media or on YouTube. They want to hide. They want to talk about what they do and all this money that they made, but they never show you, they never ever show you this. They never show you the order fill, right? They never show you the execution. They never show you if they have to cancel any orders, right? They don't show you the price. They don't show you their fill. They don't show you what's going on. They don't show you the limit. They don't show you anything. Why do you think that is? Why do you think all these futures traders on social media, all these option traders on social media, all these stock traders on social media, all these Forex traders on social media and YouTube, why do you think that they don't show you what they're supposed to show you? Why do you think that is? And then they want you to buy their courses. Hey, I'm not here to challenge anybody. I'm not here to call anybody out. For the last 10 months or so, you've seen my YouTube channel. You've seen I just keep to myself. I put my head down. I do my thing. I look after my customers. I look after my platinum traders because that's what I do, right? But I'm just telling you right now, if you're watching this video till the very end, I'm telling you right now what you need to do. If you ask futures traders, option traders, stock traders, Forex traders, tell them to show you their accounts without blurring anything out, I guarantee you right now you're going to hear crickets, right? So you do what you want to do. You want to follow them? Go ahead and follow them. I've got a solid membership, solid members that understand transparency and are led by their newbie general. I'm still a newbie. I'm still learning options every day, right? And you've seen the power of the Platinum Traders Group. So with that being said, somewhere in this video, you're going to see a link. I'd like you to click it. I don't know why my webcam doesn't work, but it is what it is. I'll probably put my picture up there so that you can see my ugly mug anyways. And then head on over to the site and become a member of the Platinum Traders Group. We'd love to have you. So that being said, my name is Double P, over and out.